Hey guys, it's Kelly. I've had so much fun making printables lately, and I wanted to show you what 5 of the latest ones look like that are ready to go for the holidays. So I've printed them out and I'm going to show you what they look like. First of all is the 25 Days Digital Kit, and it is a fun printable for your December daily or your albums or even your planner. It's got some journaling cards, numbers 1 to 25 in black and 1 to 25 in bright colors. Next is the numbered advent, and this printable is a bunch of little squares with numbers on some of them, or you can get them, it also comes with some without the numbers. This way you can do a little advent countdown with envelopes or little bags or anything and have the little cute tags on it. I'm also going to do a fun project and I'll do a video and share how I'm using it for my scrapbook layout. Next is the tags, and these holiday tags are a free printable, so make sure you grab yours. There's colorful and bright ones, and then there's also just kind of some black and white minimalist look tags. Lots that say from Santa. Some nice big sizes and medium sizes. Then I decided to make 10 pattern papers in case you just need some backgrounds or anything for your scrapbooking. And they all coordinate with the 25 Days kit. The last thing I made is a banner. So it's a mix between bunting and pennants, and you'll just cut them out and punch 2 holes and string them all together. And you can choose which papers you want to include. You wouldn't have to use them all. And you could print more if you needed a longer banner, but it comes with these 5 sheets. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to print your free tags printable.